You see that? Baby.
Months.
Little month.
Hey.
Yeah.
So they are always with the mother.
Okay.
Oh, you are running out.
You are jebale konyawo.
And we have also somebody who made a bungalow with a compound. Then we have somebody who made a thatched house, making it using clay soil. Because it was everybody used local material. That's why they make these things. We usually give them project work. They do them from their homes, then they bring them back to the parents. So we join all together, teachers, relationship with parents and children. That's what we do here. Yeah, that is their project one. It was assigned to this class. That's the project one they did and got them.
At every class you are going to, there's a camera. Yes, after lunch we don't always have lessons for them because they are kinders. So they are.
And we talked about the other. Thank you very much. Fairness is treating other people in a rating. Let us give Mosa a nice clap, a big clap. The better one.
Is treating other people.
We grant about fairness. Who can tell us? Who can maybe ask what we talked about today? What is fairness? What is fairness? This is a pre-cocoa class. In other schools, they call it primary too, but here at this library, we call it pre-cocoa class. And it is time for LE. We are talking about fairness. We've learned about Abel and Kaini today in our LE lesson. These are my children, have 7 learners in my class.
So she will handle that part.
This is because class. In other schools, they call it primary too.
Of this new kids campus, the school. The school started so our school it is daycare, nursery and primary school. We go up to primary too. And we have good care of these children. We educate them very many things. We do co-curricular activities. We do music. dance and drama, and teach them all the methods which is supposed to be taught in schools. And we have some items you see here in class. We have the project work, that's their project work. We have the learning materials, all things you see here in the class, they are learning materials. We have the education board, where children learn how to count numbers here, they learn how to add, they learn the letters from here. Even you have the cards where we put the work for them to learn. And these ones here, we give them as a play materials. During their free time, class time or in class, there are some children who don't want to go out. They want to play indoors. Then we give them such things, they play from here. Yeah, that's what we have here in this class. And this is it. Starfish class, and it's the middle class.
Really, I've seen a very big difference. How
Of Joyce Kids Campus, the school. The school started so our school, it is a daycare, nursery and primary school. We go up to primary too. And we have good care of these children. We educate them very many things. We do co-curricular activities. We do music, dance and drama. And teach them all the methods which is supposed to be taught in schools. And we have some items you see here in class. We have the project work, that's their project work. We have the learning materials, all things you see here in the class, they are learning materials. We have the education board, where children learn how to count numbers here, they learn how to add, they learn the letters from here. Even you have the cards where we put the work for them to learn. And these ones here, we give them as a play materials. During their free time, class time or in class, there are some children who don't want to go out. They want to play indoors. Then we give them such things, they play from here. Yeah, that's what we have here in this class. And this is it. Starfish class, and it's the middle class.
really, I've seen a very big difference. How
Manya gange nze bwambale ebiseera ebisinga ntera nnyo okwongera ku erya Kamagu. I'm the principal of Joyce Mary Kids Campus, the school, and you say you're welcome. Mbaniriza ku Somero lya Joyce Mary, the school. We are purely a kindergarten. Fe tudilinga n'abaana abato. We are specialists in kindergarten, starting from 0 years up to currently we are having primary 2. And we are using the modern way of teaching. I would say Joyce Mary, it is now 3 years old now. Tusangibwa na mataba kukubu enyengo lugudu lugenda jinja. Ku issue ya turn up, this is our second week. Turn up Simbinyo, we have currently around 130. In other schools, oyinza osanga nti abaana babakyali batono mu second week naye fe abaffe bali kumpi okugwayo. Njabagamba nti ng'essomero, we are blessed. We are offering the quality academic services, but also other co-curricular activities which we are going to be looking at as we move out, and also both inside and outside class activities. Ombuziza ku nsonga ya degrees for teachers, I will say the ethics of teachers vis-a-vis what they earn. I will say the government is not being fair to the teachers, because you realize that a teacher maximally a grade 3 is earning around 400,000. That might be the net. But when you tell the person to go for a bachelor's degree and yet the salary is not going to increase, it is not being fair to the side of the teacher. It is side to the government, but it is not side to the side of the teachers. One, when someone goes for upgrading, it comes in another cost. Ono Basomesa sasula sente is upgrading. The government has not set university to teach these teachers free of charge. Rather, they will be taking again part of what they earn I will say the less they earn, and again they invest in what? In further studies, which is a little bit tricky. We can all of us see that the economy is becoming hard on every side. Now, if they chop on the 400 they earn, and again they invest in other studies, that is per semester. Because if it is a per grading in per holidays, you'll find that the least university is charging around 400,000. That is per holiday, which is not fair to the what? To the side of the teachers. To the government, it is okay. But if it is a policy, of course, we as teachers, there's no way how we are going to deny it, because we have to abide by the laws and the policy of the government. And to my side of the teachers at Joyce Mary, at least I would say we are there. We have diploma holders who are already upgrading, and even those ones who are at the certificate level, we have tried to push them to go and upgrade. Because there's no way we as Joyce Mary that we can deny the government policies or say we are not following up with the policies of the government. Another issue was about the phone, the technology issue, or where the learners are supposed to go with phones at school. Well, personally, I'm an IT expert. At Joyce Mary, we use most of these computerized materials. We use research. So I will say, abana ogenda n'amasimu ku Somero kya muwendo nnyo kunze nga ku Joyce Mary. Kubanga, in fact, time ewedde, we are already enrolling for a program of having computers around the school. As you are going to move, you will see that even most of our classes are having screens. These learners study using their screens. We have cameras all over the school. So meaning that we have to move with the IT and other technology to make us move. So the issue of learners coming to school with phones, it will not be purposely to abuse technology, but will be for research. So I say the government should continue with it, because it will try to impress the easy learning of the learners, but also making research for both the teachers and the learners. Another issue was about the curriculum. The new curriculum, I would say I was one of those people who were trained when the new curriculum was being introduced, the CBC. I understand it very well, and I pray that even in the primary level, it is introduced. I know it is now the fourth year that we are going to be sitting for the first exam, that is in secondary. But I also wish that in primary it is also introduced, because for it is almost hands-on. That's what I would say. It is hands-on rather than theory. So me at Joyce Mary, as the principal of Joyce Mary, I recommend that the new curriculum should be introduced, because this is where now the world is heading. This is the very reason why other countries are going beyond than other countries, because for them they're already impressing the hands-on curriculum, which is in the new now curriculum, than the old curriculum that we are using. Otherwise, thank you so much. I can say Joyce Mary, we have competent staff. We have different activities on our term planner every term. For example, we have athletics, we have netball, we have indoor games, and we also have netball for the girls. Then I can take you through how the day goes every morning. Of course, we have specific days for morning circle. The morning circle is where we have various activities, those curricular activities. That is on Friday specifically. Then we have other activities on the term planner. We have Father's Day, where fathers bring children to school. We have snack sharing day, where learners share with their friends. That is a specific day. Then we have also held a variety of activities like the annual sports days. We have held Joma concert season 1. This is where all these kids can try to show their talent and different skills in different categories of activities. I would say Joyce Mary is now 3 years, but currently where we are, I would say we are beating most of the schools around, both academically and other outside activities. My learners, the teachers, they are competent, they can talk whatever kind of English that you want to ask them, as we are going to be proving out when we move outside the school and also capture the learners. Each class is having more than to a learner is almost equivalent to that is recommended by the Ministry of Education. Joyce Mary is a registered school. We are registered by the Ministry of Education and Sports, so we are operating legally. And by next year, we shall be having Primary 3 as we move on. Otherwise, thank you so much for visiting us, KTV.
Yes, we are going to this sound. Which sound is this? U. Which sound is this? U. Let's spread the word.
Yes, bring your sumi. Bring the sumi.
This one. Out. Loud. Which sound is this? U. Which sound is this? U. Let's spread. Okay. The next one. This one. This one. This one. Again. This one. This one. This one. Read well. This one. Yes, we are going to be.
Yesterday I told you about transport. Now we are going to learn about transport. About yes. If you know what's transport, just raise up the hand. Yes. Yes. From one place to another. Yes, Navatanzi. Yes. Louder, speak louder. Yes, water transport. Let us clap her. That clap is for the villagers. It's for the villagers. Yes, one clap. Two.
In the other schools, they call it a primary too, but here at Nusery, we call it Okufuna class. And it is time for LE. We are talking about fairness. We've learned about Abel and Gain today in our LE lesson. These are my children. I have 7 learners in my class. Abel and Cain. And we decided that Cain